product filtering by price, size, color, category, etc. Improves customer experience and boosts conversions on collection pages. Shopify supports this natively in most online store 2.0 themes like Dawn, Craft, Sense without apps or code. Steps to enable product filtering. Log in to Shopify admin, online store, themes. Find your active theme. Click Customize. In the theme editor, use the top drop-down to select collection pages or a specific collection template. In the left sidebar, click the product grid or collection list section. Scroll down to filtering and sorting or enable filtering. Toggle enable filtering to on. Choose filter style, drawer, slides in from side, most popular, horizontal, above products, or sidebar. Click manage filters or filters, add filters, click add filter. Select product options, for example, color, size, price, availability, vendor, product type, tags. Drag to reorder, save, optional. Enable sorting options, for example, price low-high, best-selling. Click save, top right. Result: customers see a filter menu on collection pages. Filters appear automatically based on available product variants, options, tags.